Hello everyone, welcome to A Plus Tech Sri Lanka channel. Today I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. I bought this watch for 89,000 rupees in Sri Lanka. There are two colors and two sizes in this watch. You can see the specifications on the Samsung website. I will put the link on description. This time I have the 46mm black color Bluetooth version. So let's start the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. First we got the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. We can see the rotating bezel in this watch. This rotating bezel is also available on Samsung Galaxy Watch 1 and Watch 3. And let's see what's on this box. At the box we can see some paperwork. And a wireless charger to charge this watch. To charge the watch, we have to put the watch on the wireless charger. At the watch back, we can see the bioactive sensors. Please do not look at the watch sensors. We can also buy many accessories like straps, protection glasses for the watch from stores. So let's power up the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. First we can see the Samsung logo. At the start we have to select the language. After selecting the language, the watch restarted again by itself. We can see the Samsung logo again. After some time we can see the welcome screen. To continue, you have to swipe it up. Then you have to connect the watch to an Android phone. So I have installed the Galaxy Wearable app on the phone. First, the phone scans the watch by using a Bluetooth connection. Then we can see a code on the watch and the phone. We can go forward by confirming it on the phone. Then the phone installs the Watch 4 plugins. After installing it, we can use the watch. Galaxy Watch 4 Classic is powered by Google's Wear OS version 11 and the Samsung's One UI 3. To see the quick panel, you have to swipe the screen down. At the quick panel, we can see several options like changing the background light, turning the power saving mode, and many more. To see the app list, you have to swipe the screen up. At the app list, We can see some of Samsung apps and the Google Play Store. To see the widgets panel, you have to swipe up the screen right. You can also do this by using the rotating bezel. At the widgets panel, we can see the daily activity, workout list, body composition, sleep weather, calendar, blood pressure, ECG, heart rate and many more. To see the notification panel, you have to swipe the screen left. We can see here all the notifications on the phone. At the wearable app, we can change many options for the watch. There are so many watch faces that we can choose from the phone. Also, there are a lot of animated watch faces and non-animated watch faces for this watch. I will be again with the review video for this watch. This is the unboxing video of Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.